From the beginning of passenger air travel in the mid-1930s, airlines realized a need to provide amenities to the flying public. It all began with a single-serving beverage offered to the passengers en route.
How are you today? What can I get you?
Now, more than 85 years later, every airline in the world today still uses the most costly and inefficient method of serving beverages to their passengers. How best to serve drinks to the airline passenger seems like such a small issue, but in fact, it is a multi-million-dollar decision. The airline industry is one of the last venues where serving a large group of people a fresh fountain drink efficiently and effectively has not been available. Now, all of that is about to change. Announcing the only product in the world that will rid the airlines from carrying bulky and heavy soft drink cans and bottles. The Dynamo Beverage Cart System. The Dynamo Drink Cart is the first and only patented fountain drink system designed certified by the FAA for the airline industry. It is the only product in the world that can replace the costly in every category pre-mixed cans with a post-mix onboard beverage system approved safe for flight. There's a reason most restaurants and fast food establishments give you a drink cup and say, have as much as you want. Everybody knows the efficiencies of the fountain drink versus the can or bottle. Fountain drinks are an easy, fresh, quality alternative without the bulk weight of cans and bottles. Cans and bottles have always been a significant weight and storage problem, but that's about to change. Dynamo Beverage Company has received approval from the FAA, the authority and permission to produce and offer to the airline industry the only logical way to serve drinks to a large volume of people in the most efficient way. We also hold certification from EASA, the European Aviation Authority, and Transport Canada, with other regions pending. Our system will utilize the same beverage cart manufacturer the airlines currently use, with no additional limit on weight restrictions. No costly aircraft modifications are necessary to switch to the Dynamo cart. The cart utilizes the same industry standard bag-in-box drink syrups currently manufactured by all major soft drink suppliers and used in food establishments worldwide. You can provide a fresh, quality fountain drink right in front of the passenger's eyes, safely, effectively, efficiently, and for as much as 50% of your present overall beverage costs. Just a simple press of one of the 10 selection buttons, and that is it. Even on the smallest commercial aircraft, more than a 200-pound weight reduction can be achieved. Hundreds of pounds more can be reduced on larger aircraft. With our system, you need only the syrup. You're already carrying the water. Water quality on commercial aircraft has long been an industry concern. With the airline compliance of the Safe Water Drinking Act and our triple filtered water we call Diamond Clear, the need for costly bottled water carried on board is eliminated for an even greater annual saving. We have created a new green environment in the airline industry, reduced the unnecessary waste of drink packaging products, reduced weight, and saved considerable space on board, which all enhances the bottom line. Using our system provides benefits from fuel efficiencies gained from weight and waste reduction to increased customer service by a speedier beverage service. The actual cost of the product syrup versus cans is yet another benefit. With an overall possible 50% reduction in current beverage costs and a full 3-year warranty on all component parts, the switch to the Dynamo Drink Cart just makes sense, saving millions of dollars annually. We also offer a lease program, making the financial decision easy and very affordable. Depending on airline operational needs, refilling the cart both with water and syrup can be easily accomplished in the galley in minutes, ready again for the next beverage service. After the initial beverage service is completed, the cart is easily refilled with all the syrups and water. A simple flip of a switch from operate to refill on the cart itself and connecting the multi-port connector hose to the cart and syrup module is all that's necessary. The water refill hose is attached internally to the aircraft plumbing, and attaching the water hose to the water tank begins the refill process. Moments later, both the syrup and water are full, and all that is needed is to disconnect both the syrup and water hose connection, flip the switch to operate, and the cart is again ready for the next service. Overfilling is impossible, and the entire service is performed in just minutes, ready for the next beverage service opportunity. Carrying of the bulk syrup is another opportunity to save the airline money on the long-haul, multi-drink service flights. On point-to-point, short-haul flights, you may choose for the in-flight personnel or ground personnel to perform reservicing at intermediate stops, eliminating catering or ground handling costs. Here are some other important facts about the Dynamo drink cart. There are 10 different beverage selections, including chilled filtered water. Each service of the beverage cart yields more than 150 servings of both carbonated and non-carbonated juice and energy drinks. Our patented technologies ensure and maintain drink quality to the manufacturer's standards. Aircraft gain considerable fuel burn efficiencies from reduced weight on board. Overall beverage costs are reduced by more than 50%. Dynamo warranties for 3 years all components except consumables. The Dynamo beverage cart is completely CO2 powered. Flight attendants see an improved work environment with no stooping, bending, or searching for cans. Trash bag loads are greatly reduced with the elimination of cans and bottles. The elimination of wasteful discarding of partially used drinks. Reduction of at least 200 pounds off each aircraft. Our triple filtered water, called Diamond Clear, is bottled water quality and eliminates the need for costly bottled water products on board. The Dynamo beverage cart system reduces warehouse space requirements and handling costs. The loading of beverage product on the aircraft can be reduced to once daily using the bulk syrup module in flight to restock the beverage cart. Dynamo easy-to-operate syrup and water connections attach to the cart itself and completely refill the cart in minutes, ready for the next service or next flight leg. The Dynamo beverage cart system is an integral part of the greening of the airline industry and the protection of our natural resources. The Dynamo beverage cart system, the next stage in the evolution of airline passenger service. See how Dynamo can make a difference on your airline today.